Hey there, finance friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down money management tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to split a transaction in Mint. If you've ever bought groceries and realized part of it was for dinner while the rest was for household supplies, you know how messy tracking can get. Splitting transactions in Mint is a game changer for accurate budgeting and categorization. Let's jump right in. First things first. Make sure you're logged into your Mint app or website. Mint is that fantastic free tool from Intuit that helps you track your spending, budgets, and bills all in one place. Once you're in, head over to the Transactions tab. This is where all your recent purchases are listed. Now, find the transaction you want to split. Maybe it's that $50 grocery run that includes both food and toiletries. Click on that transaction to open its details. You'll see an Edit or Split button. Go ahead and click it. This opens up the split options. Here's where the magic happens. You'll be able to add multiple lines for the same transaction. For each part, enter the amount, select the appropriate category, and add any notes if needed. For example, split $30 to groceries and $20 to household supplies. Mint makes this super intuitive with drop-down menus for categories. After you've added all the splits, double-check that the total adds up to the original amount. Once you're happy, hit Save or Done. Voila! Your transaction is now neatly categorized, giving you a clearer picture of your spending habits. A quick tip. If you make a mistake, you can always edit the splits later. This feature is especially useful for business expenses or shared bills. Remember, accurate tracking leads to better budgeting decisions. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Mint tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Stay savvy.